The Chief Justice, Mrs. Georgina Wood, has urged lawyers to begin the debate on the need for a well-defined legal framework for public-private partnership agreements. The conference, which is underway in Ho, has the theme, the role of the legal profession in developing a public-private partnership regulatory framework for national development.
The four-day conference is being attended by members of the association under the theme, the role of the legal profession in developing a public-private partnership regulatory framework for national development. The association is focusing attention on three main issues of common interest to the socio-economic development and progress of the nation. These include matters concerning the country's development in the long term, international issues affecting lawyers, and the way forward regarding the legal profession in Ghana. This year's conference was graced by the presence of the Chief Justice of the Russian Supreme Court, His Excellency Mr. Vyacheslav Lebedev. The President of the Volta Regional Bar, Dan Kofi Agri, in his welcome address, appealed to the Chief Justice to rotate the sittings of the Court of Appeal established for both the Volta and Eastern regions to relieve traveling stress on their litigants. The Volta Regional Minister Nilai Afutiagbo noted that the nation's huge infrastructure deficit cannot be met by the public sector alone through budget allocations. Government is therefore encouraging the use of PPP to attract private sector resources and expertise to help close the gap. The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Mrs. Marietta Bru Apia-Opong, urged lawyers to uphold, defend and protect the rights of citizens and litigants. She gave the assurance that her office will introduce the necessary changes required to improve legal practice in the country. The national president of the GBA, Nene A.O. Amegache, commended members of the bar for their professional competence during the Supreme Court hearing on the 2012 election petition. He called for sections of the Constitution which gives too much power to the president to appoint people to some public positions as board chairman to be revisited, since it does not augur well for the country's democracy. The Chief Justice, Mrs. Georgina Wood, lamented about the infrastructure deficiency in the country in power, roads, ports, urban water, railways, healthcare, education, sanitation and housing, and called for the creation of an enabling environment for maximizing the benefits of the PPP.
The government or public sector agency may be obligated to make up for the shortfall. As explained in the National Policy document, a typical arrangement would have, and I quote, the private sector party performing part or all of the government service delivery functions and assumes associated risk for a significant period of time. End quote. This arrangement must be beneficial for developing countries with weak monitoring and accountability systems.
The Chief Justice of the Russian Supreme Court, Mr. Vyacheslav Lebedev, said democracy is expensive but has no alternative as regards the socio-economic development and progress of the people. He therefore urged government to do everything in their part to sustain peace and justice. Four members of the association, Mr. Ahuma Okanse, Nana Jayampofo, Mr. Sam Okujeto, and Mr. Martin Alamusi Amido, who have contributed to the development of the law and image of the profession on important legal issues, were recognized and honored by the association. It was when the Chief Justice of the Russian Supreme Court, Mr. Vyacheslav Lebedev, was returning from the opening session of this event that a truck crossed his motorcade, causing an accident. The conference is still in progress.